Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to integrate your Printify account with Etsy. How to integrate Printify with Etsy. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now I'm going to be direct to the point in today's video. I'm going to teach you right away on the way you could connect your Etsy store with Printify. So you could import the different products that you create in Printify directly to your Etsy and start selling and have like a print-on-demand service on Etsy. But after I teach you how you could connect the Etsy store and Printify, I'm also going to demonstrate how you could use Printify effectively using another application or another software called Canva, and how you could make these two platforms work together to create amazing designs that you could also potentially sell on Etsy. So let's get started. Now, to be able to connect your Etsy store or even any other e-commerce platform out there, you're simply going to click on this option over here on the top right. And over here, you're going to see all the different stores that you are able to connect or are connected right now. You're simply going to click on Manage Your Store. And as you can see, this is where you can see all your different store. Right now, I am not allowed to add store, so let me remove some of this. But as you can see, I already have some Etsy store over here. So I'm removing some stores over here, just like that. And now I am now able to add a new store. Now adding a new store is basic. So simply click on Add New Store over here. And you can see all the different options, the different type of e-commerce platform out there that you could connect it to. You have your Etsy, our main goal for today's video, Shopify, Walmart, Printify Pop-Up, eBay, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, PrestaShop, and API over here. Those are the different ways you could connect your stores to. Now we have your Etsy over here. You could connect it easy, fast and easy with this option over here. Simply click on Connect to Etsy, and all we need to do is sign in into our Etsy store, like our email address, password, or simply continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple, depending on what method you created your Etsy store with. And after logging in into this, you will be able to successfully connect it directly with your Printify. It's that easy and direct. And there's no complicated process with connecting with the different stores. It's simply going to manage stores over here, selecting the specific store or e-commerce store that you want to connect, and simply logging in, and there will be some like authorization or like verification, and you will be able to successfully connect it. Now let's proceed with creating your different outputs or different products that you could start selling with Etsy. Now let's say I'm trying to create a t-shirt design. Now creating a t-shirt design in Etsy is very easy. We're going to use this platform called Canva. So simply type in canva.com in your browser, and you will be able to see this option over here, or like this software over here. Now using Canva is absolutely for free, although there are some pricing or like plans in Canva that will unlock certain features. You won't be too behind even if you use like a simple account or like a free account. So there won't be any disadvantage at all. So right now, like I said, we're going to create a t-shirt with Printify. So our topic or the template that we should look for is a t-shirt. So simply type in t-shirt in your search bar over here, and you will be able to see this option over here that has like a t-shirt icon, which is specifically designed for t-shirt, and simply click that. And as you can see, this is our different templates. Amazing templates available over here. You could use any of this option, then change some elements here and there, or you could simply create your own account or own template over here also. Now, the design or the way this output or template is designed is it's going to be on the top of the t-shirt over here, like the front side over here. It's not going to be an all over t-shirt, like an all overall design. It's going to be like a front design only. So we're going to start from scratch. So simply click on the template, and we will be redirected to this editing page over here. Now, if you don't know or are unfamiliar with Canva, the elements or the things that you need to access to be able to create an amazing design are elements, where you're going to have all the different elements that you could add into your design. You have uploads over here if ever you have an image that you would like to use, and text over here that is going to allow you to add any type of text and any type of font to use for your design. So let's go with our elements. Now, the first thing we're going to do is think of a theme or a topic. I'm simply looking for lines, wavy, and minimalistic. Click on that. enter, click on see all, and let's see here the different options that we have. We have this one. I really like this output or design over here. We could make this bigger, just like that, and maybe we could make it like more complicated, just like this. Make it more crazy, just like that. We have a very simple and messy design over here. Then we could add like a design at the background. Click on this. Is this one editable? We won't be able to edit, or I think we can, just like this. Click on red, then we could change the color of our line to red, just like this. And we could put it over here, position it to the back, just like that. And we could add like another element, like a square, a normal square that we could have, just like this, for example. Then put it over here, put it in this section, and this section over here on the left side. And we're going to change the color to another color, maybe white, or maybe even darker color, maybe black. Then we could change the transparency to light, just like that. And you could add as many output or as many design as you want. I'm just doing random stuff with my designs over here. The way you present your ideas is completely up to you. Actually, I could remove that and search astronaut instead, or space. Click on enter, and I could enter this person over here. Put this person in the middle, just like that. Change the different colors to white instead, just like that. And this one to maybe black, just like that. And we could actually make it more lighter, maybe like that. Then it's to black, and this one to black as well. And we have like a very messy output over here, very messy design, but it's a minimalist design over here. So let's simply make some changes over here. We're going to edit the layers. Click on position, layers, and select our layers over here. We could make this a little bit more transparent, like 50% transparent, so that our astronaut or like our person over here won't be too overwhelmed by the different elements present right now. And just like that, we have our very simple design. Simply click on share, download. I'm going to make it as a transparent background for now, and download once again, and I will be able to download my design over here. Now going back to Printify, I'm simply going to select our t-shirt over here, go to catalog. You have your men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing, and accessories over here. I'm going to go with women's clothing. Click on t-shirts, and as you can see, these are the different best sellers. I'm going to select the first one for now. Selecting the type of t-shirt is completely up to you, but for me, this is what I'm going to proceed with. You have your description over here of the specific product that we're creating a design on. If you want to read more information about the product you're going to create your design on, you can simply scroll through the bottom over here, or scroll to the top and read the different description over here. And you can simply select the available print provider over here. It's completely up to you on which one you choose. For me, I'm just going to go with a random one. Click on start design. And now we're simply going to upload our design into our t-shirt over here. Then simply wait for it, and we're going to check out different mockups for our output after we upload our design over here. You could also see more information of your design over here, like you could change different width, height, rotate, scale, all of those stuff. We're simply going to wait for it to upload, so we could click on save product and start seeing like more information and start editing more information. And there we go, our item or like our design is uploaded. We're simply going to enlarge in this, just like this. And after this, we're simply going to click on save product, and we will be able to proceed to this section over here. You can also see like different mockups over here in this section, like for example this girl. You can see a mockup of our design over here with this girl wearing our t-shirt with the design on it. As you can see, this is our design over here. Very simple, very minimalist, not too complicated. Then you have your description over here, title, description, different variants, completely up to you, and simply publishing settings over here. In the settings, you could see you could connect your Etsy store, and then you could start selling the product that we have just created in your Etsy store. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.